Hey, hello. Frank Kwame, a mathematics teacher of Michelle Com 2 JHS. I've come your way once again. I want us to look at a technique in subtracting numbers, which is without stress for our people. Normally, we struggle with this because of the technique we use in solving such questions where we borrow, which is not wrong in actual sense, but this is another technique which makes the computation also easy in subtraction. So let's look at that. Let's look at first what we know. 6 minus 5 is 1. 4 minus 5, we know it can be, we borrow 1 from the 2, as we always say it, to make it 14. 14 minus 5 is 9. Borrow 1 from the 3, making it 11. Minus 3, we know it is 8. 3 here becomes 2 minus 1 is 1. This is the answer. Now, how do I solve this without borrowing? How do I solve this without borrowing? The technique is actually nice and simple. Now, 6 minus 5 is 1. 4 minus 5, I'll need to borrow. I want to avoid that. So I'll do the reverse of it. 5 minus 4, it is 1. But I know once I'm doing the reverse, it means my answer should be in the negative. 2 minus 3 is also going to give me an answer that I have to borrow from the 3, which I want to avoid. Therefore, I'll do 3 minus 2, which is also 1, and that will be the negative. Then 3 minus 1 is 2. So I have 2, negative 1, negative 1, 1 as my answer. How do I arrive at our answer? It is very simple. Now, these two, if I'm taking a look at just the first two, I am more like looking at 2, 0, which is 20, minus 1. That is 19. So it means my answer becomes 19, negative 1, 1. Then if I now picture the second two, I'm looking at it as 9 minus 1, right? 90, sorry, this is 90. So 90 minus 1, right? And that should give me 89. So what I have circled will be 89. So I'm going to have 1891, and that is my answer. Done. Without carrying. Let's try more examples. 4, 5, 6, 2, 9, 3, 1, 2. We are to subtract this. 9, 2 minus 9, I don't want to carry, so 9 minus 2, 7. Negative 6 minus 3, 3. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. That is my answer, 2, 4, 3, negative 7. So now where the negative is, I have to work around that area. I'm going to have that as 33, where the 7 is 0, minus the 7. And that is 23. So my answer is 2, 4, 2, 3. As simple as that. 2, 4, 2, 3 as my answer. Let's try more. I have 5, 2, 1, 6 minus 1, 9, 0, 4. So 6 minus 4, 2, 1 minus 0, 1, 2 minus 9. I want to avoid that. So I do 9 minus 2, negative 7, 5 minus 1, 4. So where my negative is, I always prioritize the forward, front of that, and the behind. So in that case, this is going to give me 40 minus 7, and that is 33. So my answer is 33, 1, 2, and that is simple. Let's look at another example where I have this. That's a bit challenging. Minus 4, 5, 6, 8. Now, 5 minus 8, so that's 8 minus 5, that's negative 3. 6 minus 4. 4 minus 6 is not possible. I do 4 minus 6. 6 minus 4, that's also negative 2. 5 minus 4, 1 minus 5 is not possible. I do 5 minus 1. That's also negative 4. 2 minus 4 isn't possible. 4 minus 2, that is also negative 2. Now, in this case, all my answers are in the negative form. So what do I do? Nothing to do. So my answer is negative 2, 4, 2, 3. So when you have an answer like negative 2, 4, 2, 3, what we are saying is that each digit of your answer is in the negative form. And that ends it. Bye bye.